Hello, my name's Emma Victoria Houlton, and I'm the founder and executive producer of podcast production company Art of Podcast. Now, I've been using Adobe Audition for around 10 years now. I actually learned how to edit on Adobe Audition. Now, in terms of the tools that I use now, my favourites, they're quite simple tools, but they make my job so much easier. One of them is the panning and volume tools that you can use within multitrack, where you can sketch out where the audio will pan left and right, or where the volume of the music will come up and down, or SFX. Now, if you're just getting into Audition and just starting to feel around the way Audition is, I would suggest that you were to upload a piece of audio into the Waveform Editor and get used to zooming in and out and using the backspace button, especially if you're going to be editing speech. But just have fun with it. Just have fun with using Audition, and even a broadcast preset. You know, you can put your audio through that and make it sound like a professional piece of broadcast ready audio, and it's done in a few minutes.